Nanohydroxyapatite versus fluoride versus microhydroxyapatite. There seems to be some controversy between these ingredients, so let's talk about it. All three ingredients I just named are typically used in toothpaste to help prevent tooth decay. They've all been used for decades now across the world, and they all seem to be effective. Now, the controversy is if one is effective more than the other. First, we're going to talk about hydroxyapatite. So nano and micro refer to the particle size. So nano is very, very small, and it can penetrate through the tooth structure better than micro. The problem with nanohydroxyapatite is you don't know where the company is sourcing it from. You don't know what shape it is. It can be rod-shaped or needle-shaped. And in synthetics, which means it's made in a lab. So yes, it might be a little bit more effective, but it comes with those risks. And then there's a microhydroxyapatite, or it's usually just listed as hydroxyapatite on the ingredient list. Now, this is usually sourced naturally in Guru Nanda's toothpaste. They do source it naturally. Microhydroxyapatite is bigger in particle size, but it still is effective. This is a meta-analysis of almost 300 studies on microhydroxyapatite. And it did prove that it is an effective way to help prevent tooth decay. And then there's fluoride. Fluoride has been studied in and out. We know that it's effective. The problem with fluoride is that it's a neurotoxin, and we get it all over. We get it in our water, food, pharmaceuticals, everywhere. Not only is it a neurotoxin, but it causes thyroid issues. So I think fluoride is just out right now. Just remember, when you're picking a toothpaste, don't get hung up on one ingredient. Look at the entire ingredient list. Make sure that there's no toxic ingredients. Make sure that it's natural. Things that are naturally sourced are more biocompatible for the body.